Hi grade 5s. I hope that you're enjoying the online lessons so far. I think it's definitely been new for all of us. But something new isn't always bad, it's just overcoming a challenge. Today I wanted to talk to you about opposites in Afrikaans. So the Afrikaans word for opposite is Teenoorgesteldes. So teen means against and oor means over. So we can kind of get an idea that it's an opposite. So I have got some examples here for you, and we'll talk about what they are in English as well as what they are in Afrikaans, and then we'll have a quick discussion about your worksheet. So here I have two Lightning McQueen cars, and I am sure that you know which little boy I got these from to help me out with my video. So there is two Lightning McQueen cars, and I have one big car and one small car. So in Afrikaans that would be groot and klein. Okay, so the opposite. So I have groot, and the opposite of groot is klein. I then have some drinks here, and if you look closely, the one has got steam coming off of it, and the other is a nice ice cold glass of Coke. So I have cold and hot or warm. So in Afrikaans we say koud en warm. So the opposite of koud is warm, and the opposite of warm is koud. And then I know that we've probably all been eating lots of these, and they are Easter eggs. And so Easter eggs in Afrikaans are called paaseiers. Paas being Easter and eiers being eggs. So this one, I think you can start to guess, is few and many. I have a few and I have many. So in Afrikaans, I say baie en min of min en baie. So ek hoop jy kry baie paaseiers hierdie Paasnaweek. So this is your worksheet for teenoorgesteldes. At the top it says gebruik die woorde in die blokkie om die regte teenoorgesteldes in die kolom te skryf. So the words in the block are mooi, lig, laat, lekker, duur, droog, groot, baie, warm en meer. So here it's giving you the English word to help you match the correct Afrikaans word to the English word. So remember that you can use an English to Afrikaans dictionary if you had one, or you can also use Google Translate, or you can ask somebody who's good at Afrikaans that perhaps lives with you. So here I'm going to give you some of the Afrikaans words going down this way, and we have nat, which is wet, koud, which is cold, vroeg, which is early, min, which is few, goedkoop, which is cheap, lelik, which is ugly, donker is dark, klein is small, minder is less, and sleg is bad. So you're going to use all the words in here in this block, and you're going to write them over here. Please remember to mark with a grey pencil, and you can do corrections next to here. I hope you have fun with this lesson, and I can't wait to see you guys again.